Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the SIM is active and has a small airtime or SMS balance. This is why messages are accepted. Once done, open your messaging app and compose the operator-specific request. For many Airtel regions, that means a short text like set or config sent to the operator shortcode. Make sure you use the phone with the SIM inserted. If there's an option, choose to receive settings automatically so they install without manual input. Once the configuration push arrives, you will see a prompt. Accept and install it. That's how settings populate APN, MMS, and WAP automatically. If the push never comes, manually enter APN values, the name, APN string, and any username/password provided by Airtel. This is necessary because phones vary in auto-install behavior. After saving, reboot the device to ensure the new profile loads. Make sure mobile data and MMS are enabled in network settings so services can connect. You finish by verifying the settings. Try browsing a web page, send an MMS, or inspect the APN to confirm it matches Airtel's values. If something still fails, re-request the configuration and clear network settings, or temporarily insert the SIM into another phone to isolate device issues. Make sure to note your IMEI and the APN entries before contacting support, providing those speeds resolution. A common troubleshooting tip: toggle air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.